Welcome to the first part of putting data in context. In this session, you will walk through a data set with a critical eye, evaluate if it's a reliable source of information from various perspectives. Let us now look at how to evaluate your data in a practical manner. Our first data set will be about femicides in Kenya. And this data comes from Open Africa, as you can see on screen. On the dataset, we come across a note that tells us the dataset draws on a compilation of femicide cases done by the Counting Dead Women in Kenya project. On screen, we see the examples of the number of dead women counted between 2019 to 2020. Who collected it and why? It was collected by a few individuals from public news reports. The source is part of this data was compiled by Kathomi, Audrey, and Mdogo on Facebook. You can see the link above. And you can contact information of the author who collated the reports in a dataset that is listed. Understanding who collected. These collected news reports were compiled into a structured dataset by Frederick Ombako. So what is the purpose of this data? It was used to raise awareness about the number of femicides, protection of human rights, with the goal of eliminating femicides. And who is the intended audience? Women at risk and the general public. And can it be verified from other sources? The data was collected from publicly available, verifiable news sources. Is it original research? And what was the method? The data was collected based on surveying media publications. And is the data complete? Is any data missing? We don't know which media sources were included in the survey, nor what methods they used to find femicide-related news. Some news reports might have been missed. Also, probably a lot of femicides never get reported, either to the media or even to the police. And when was this data collected and published? This was done in 2019, and it was last updated in October 30th, 2019. Is this data biased in some way? Some media outlets may be missing, and femicides from certain areas might be even more underreported than from others. Do you have the right to use it? How do you need to attribute it? Does it contain personal information? It is openly accessible data, and all personal details included have appeared in the news previously. So what's next? We'll explore this dataset hands-on in Excel. Thanks for engaging in this module and see you in the next one.